I've been waiting for the day when everyone will say enough. Well, and the stars will all align and we'll see that we don't need their stuff. No, but that day it hasn't come. When it does, I'll be the one who sings to the spirit and the people that not only are we equal, we have wings.
What do you see?
Daddy! Look! We're here!
Let's go, come on!
Hey!
We're in the clouds.
Said you might not remember, before you were born you could fly. And you will once again in this life or after you die. But you can learn to do it here. But you must cast away the fear and just go fly. Go fly. Well, I said these moments keep collecting, they make my soul keep resurrecting. I say, oh my. When I sing out my
Did you just wake up?
Are you comfy, buddy?
mantras for protection, and with careful selection they'll apply. Is this exactly how it is? That this is hers and this is his? I don't think. But it ain't my place to figure out, so I'll just pay attention in between the links.
Like that one was all twisted up at the...
I said you might not remember, before you were born you could fly. And you will once again in this life or after you die. But you can learn to do it here. But you must cast away the fear and just go fly. Go fly. I've been burning up a ways, and I'm still learning how to pray and how to guide. Well, I found my balance in reflection and my perfect imperfections. What's alright? Our impermanence is perfect, and it will work if you just work it. This is true. Keep marching parallel with ground, and I keep on praying with this sound. Now how about you? I said you might not remember, before you were born you could fly. And you will once again.
Are you having fun?
This life or after you die. But you can learn to do it here. But you must
A
cast
rock.
away the fear and just go fly. Go fly.